ndisebenza eFree Hospital as a first-year medical intern. I studied MBCHB Stellenbosch University, which I completed last year, December. I graduated cum laude with 11 out of 11 distinctions, and my studies were funded completely by the Office of the Premier. So I didn't pay anything for me to be able to study. And scholarship bendikuso, it was Office of the Premier Top Achievers Scholarship that I got in 2018 because I was number 1 in the Chris Hani West District. Because again, ndenza kahle kakhulu kwi-NSC exams zami. So token of motivation and Frinika umdana or youth who's out there up in South Africa, especially in the Eastern Cape, is that focus on the main goal, which is incwadi. Usesikolweni for a reason, and the low reason is that uba ufumane a proper education ezakwazi ukuthatha ikubeke apho ufuna uya khona.
Eastern Cape, home of legends.